What's up, everybody? It's your boy CJ back here again with another video. Today's video, I'm here to talk about how advanced technology is over the years. Okay, I'm gonna start off with how computers became so advanced. Cause you travel back to like I'm go for like the 90s, where like we have old desktops where we could even be on the internet and talk at the same time talk on the house phone. Cause like back then, that's on a means of having internet. So if someone was on the house phone, you couldn't be on the internet at the same time. So you had to like, hey, get off the phone. You know what I'm saying? And like I gotta get on the internet, check my email. So that's with that. And then you look at phones, and it's not even before flip phones. We had them basic, Motorola phones, Sprint phones, um, Motorola Sprint. There's them old phones was just like they real small, no touch screen. Well, obviously no touch screen, but now you see how now you go as the years progress, how now we got laptops, more advanced laptops where like you got touchscreen, you got desktop computers where it can be touchscreen. You even got the little thing that you can put to the side that can project a keyboard, so you can have your computer and then you have like this little like a hologram keyboard which you can still use to type. And then you got phones that after phones are that we got the flip phones, and then after the flip phones now we got touchscreen phones, everything. You got the new iPhone 5s. Now it just leaves me to wonder is that as technology keeps on um getting as technology keep advancing, I always wonder like what next we're gonna have. If we're gonna have like phones without chargers, it means that we can have a phone just sit there. They can just like when it gets low battery, it charges by itself. I mean, even think about even cars. That's not technology, well, in some kind of way, but it's the same thing in a way with cars. You look at if we ever going to have hover cars, the year like 20, I say the year 2020, will we finally have hover cars, and then like would even need gas, so we might even need like water or something, or like probably not water, but something besides oil to fuel those cars, what makes oil obsolete. It just kind of make you think just technology is growing, even with the PlayStation and all that stuff. You think years to come, they're still making the same like paid PS4 right now. Might be like, let's say, okay, 2013, we go, yeah, 2020, it'd be freaking the PS, do the math, it'd be like PS11, if I did it right, yeah. You just kind of think, and even with Xbox, like, how they gonna do that? Is it because they got Xbox One after the 360, so you wonder if they're gonna keep going with the numbers or what? But it's a thing to think of. It's a thing to think about how over the years keep on going, how the technology getting advanced. You think a lot of stuff we have now will become obsolete. Old phones you have, they obsolete obviously. You know what I'm saying? Kind of thing like even we might even have TV. Well, no, we already have that TVs, but you can search internet. Well, you could be on the internet with that. But yeah, that's all I gotta say about talk about what technology is for. You like the video, click that like, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.